I swear to God. What's up, everybody? We alive. Yet another day above soil. I want to wish each and every one of y'all a very happy Labor Day. For today's video, I'm back in the kitchen. It's been a very long time since I've cooked for y'all. But today, I'm gonna make something extra special. If you want to cook along with me, go right ahead. I'm gonna show the ingredients within the next clip. You need to get your spatula, get your mixing bowl, get everything ready, because I'm about to show y'all how to make the best key lime and lemon pound cake. I hope y'all ready, because we is about to burn. All right, y'all, it's time to run by the ingredients for your key lime and lemon pound cake. But before we begin, I must remind you to wash your hands. The food that we make within this kitchen is blessed. Therefore, you're gonna need to wash your hands. So we're gonna need all-purpose flour, white sugar. You're gonna need baking powder. I use this baking powder right here, Crab Girl. You're gonna need 3 sticks of butter, room temperature. You're gonna need some key lime juice. This is the key lime juice that I like using for my pound cakes and cheesecakes. Very good key lime juice. You're gonna need a touch of salt. I'm gonna use some limes for the zest. I'm also gonna be using some lemons for the zest. You're gonna need whole milk, not that 1%, 2% milk. You're gonna need whole milk. And I'm gonna make buttermilk for it. You're gonna need some cooking spray, some Pam for your baking dish. You're gonna need 6 eggs at room temperature. My nephew already warmed them up, so we're good to go on that end. I'm preheating my oven to 325 degrees. And you're also going to need this bundt pan. That's all the ingredients you're going to need for your key lime and lemon pound cake. Let's get started. We're going to make our own buttermilk. You're going to use whole milk. Whole milk, not 1% or 2% whole milk. Because the fat in the milk is definitely needed for the buttermilk. If you use lactate-free milk, it's not going to work right. So anyway, I'm going to use 1 cup of whole milk. To your cup of milk, you're going to add a tablespoon of either lemon or lime juice or vinegar. I usually use lime juice, but I had a lemon that's already cut. So this is a tablespoon of lemon juice. Gonna let that sit in the milk and it's gonna curdle. Make it wait for about 15 minutes and stir along the way. I don't know about y'all, but in Reisterstown, Maryland right now, on Labor Day, it's 92 degrees outside. It was hot. So I helped the butter along by keeping it in the front seat of my car with the windows up. So that way, instead of it being frozen blocks, the room temperature. I was just helping the butter along the way. You're gonna need 3 sticks of butter, room temperature. And I'm actually using salted butter. To your room temperature butter, you're gonna need 3 cups of white granulated sugar. For this lemon lime pound cake, we're gonna zest some lemons and we're gonna zest some limes. The limes are coming out better. Lemon came out good, but this lime is fresh. Ooh, I could smell it. With our freshly zested lemon and lime, it's about a tablespoon. We're gonna put that into the butter and sugar. And actually, I learned this because if you zest the lemon and the lime, and it's in that butter and sugar while you creaming it the whole time, you're going to taste the lemon and lime flavors fully because it's in the mixture process, in the mixing process for the fullest amount of time. And we're gonna start it slow, and we're gonna cream the butter. As far as the creaming process goes, if you can still hear granules of sugar on the metal bowl, it has not creamed the whole way. And you're also going to be scraping the sides of your bowl so that everything is equally incorporated. You know, with flour, I found that when I sift it, it looks like it's going to be more than 3 cups, but this is 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I already have this sifted. I know that there were some people in the comments about red velvet pound cake that my flour wasn't sifted. In actuality, it was sifted. The cake was just in the refrigerator for a long period of time, which is why it was a little bit hard to cut, especially if it was cut with a plastic knife. Anyway, sift 3 cups of all-purpose flour. To the flour, you're going to add your Clabber Girl baking powder. That's a teaspoon of that. And then behind that, you're going to get a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Salt. 1/4 teaspoon of some salt. Boop. We're going to mix that in. And then our flour is good to go. I'm going to show you what I mean by fluffy. Basically, your butter and sugar mixture should be fluffy just like this. If it's not this consistency, fluff it up some more. Fluff it up more. So now that we've got our sugar and butter mixture fluffed up, we're going to add our eggs and our flour. So we're going to put an egg in one at a time. Beat that in till the yolk is busted. And then after the egg had busted, we're going to put 1/2 cup of the flour into the batter. See? We're going to put 1/2 cup into the mixture. Oh yeah, by the way, while you're incorporating the mixture, don't forget to scrape the sides of your bowl and fold it back in so you can get every bit and piece of ingredient. The flour and eggs have been incorporated, and we've got a cup of buttermilk. Homemade buttermilk with the milk and the lemon mixture. We're going to pour that right in. We're going to mix it in real good. All right. Buttermilk's mixed in. And I'm going to tell y'all this. There's a difference between vanilla bean paste, vanilla extract, and imitation vanilla extract. I am not using imitation vanilla in any of my products because imitation vanilla is not real vanilla. What we have here is vanilla bean paste. Vanilla bean paste is straight up vanilla beans that you'd find in Madagascar. And it creates a paste. This is some strong stuff. Some strong and flavorful stuff. If you want your pound cake, your cheesecake, or anything with vanilla to shine, use vanilla bean paste. It's going to cost a pretty penny, but it's worth it. And then you also have vanilla extract. This is vanilla beans soaking in an alcohol. It could be soaking in tequila. It could be soaking in vodka. It could be soaking in a cooking alcohol of your preference. But for this cake, I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of vanilla bean paste. I'm going to put that in there. I'll mix it in real good. Along with the vanilla bean paste, what I have in here, I have 3 tablespoons of key lime juice, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. We're going to put that in on the other side. And we're going to take both of our flavors for a little spin. I just like how they both form some kind of yin-yang, and it's just very decadent. Batter's ready. We're going to put it in our greased and floured bundt pan, like so. All right, all the batter's in the bundt pan. Just so that I get all the air pockets out, I knock it a few times. We're going to put this cake in a preheated oven at 325 degrees for about an hour, 45 hour, 50 minutes. It also depends on your oven. If you have an electric oven, it may cook a little bit faster because the heat's more consistent, but because I'm with a gas oven, it cooks in waves, so it's going to be a tad bit longer. Let's put this puppy in the oven. All right, y'all, it's time to take a lemon key lime pound cake out the oven. I swear to God! It's time to make the glazé for our pound cake. So what I have here is 2 cups of powdered sugar. To that, we're going to have
a tablespoon melted butter.
I've got a tablespoon of lime juice and a tablespoon of lemon juice. I'm going to put a tablespoon of whole milk. I'm going to put lemon and lime zest in the lemon and lime glazé, and just a touch of vanilla. I added 3 more tablespoons of whole milk. Let's check the drip consistency. Just check it. Just look at that. This right here, we're gonna cascade the glazé on the top and the sides of our pound cake. Just let it fall off the sides like this. And look at that. There you have it. We've got a key lime and lemon pound cake. We're going to take this to a Labor Day party, and then we're going to cut this bad boy open so that y'all can see all the insides. Yeah. Before we part ways and leave, I have a relatively important question to ask of you. If you went to sleep tonight and you wake up the next day, would you truly be satisfied with the life that you lived? If your answer is no, then it's most definitely time to do some soul searching and think about some of the changes that you need to make with your life. I say this because there's a lot of things within our society that discriminate. Death, however, does not discriminate. I want to thank each and every one of y'all for watching my content. If this is your first, second, third, or whatever time watching, hit that subscribe button. It's right down below. I'm going to include the links to my Instagram, Stickerism's Instagram, Stickerism's website, Nowhere Collective's Instagram, Nowhere Collective's website, and of course, the recipe for this decadent key lime and lemon pound cake. We have lots of fun on this channel. If you want to be a member of the LDX family, all you gotta do is click subscribe. We on the road to 500 subscribers. Until next time, I see y'all later. I'm out.